Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. This video, I'm going to show you how to add a backdrop and decorate your project. So just like with before, with adding a sprite, we're going to go down here. Let me disappear. And we're going to click here where it says choose a backdrop. And this is going to allow us to change the background and the way it looks, our stage. So there's a bunch of different backdrops on here. You can click on different tabs. You can even search for stuff over here. But what I want to do is, since I'm a musician, I'm a percussionist, I play drums, I hit stuff, I'm going to go with a stage. So I just click on it and ta-da, now I have a backdrop over here, which makes my name look all fancy. Jared. Sorry, I'm being weird. Okay, now this allows you to edit the backdrop if you want to, but I want to get back to my code. So to do that, all I have to do is just click on the code tab and all my code is gone. Great. Now I have to start over. Just kidding. So if you look over here, you can see that the stage is highlighted, this blue around it. So to actually get back to the code for the letter J that I was working on, all I have to do is click on it and ta-da, now all my code is back. So what you're going to do is you're going to add in a backdrop, at least one, maybe multiple, and you're going to add in not just letter sprites, but other sprites to make it even fancier. So for instance, this is on a stage, and like I said, I play the drums. So maybe I'll add in some drums and some other instruments up here and make them do something when I click on those other sprites. So you're going to do the same thing with your name, and you don't have to use a stage. You can use whatever you want, whatever you're interested in for your own project. Hey everyone, if you're watching this on YouTube, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. If you're not watching us on YouTube, you can find us on that platform as well as other social media outlets by searching for BootUp PD. And if you're looking for more free lessons, projects, and resources for teachers and students, visit us at bootuppd.org, where you can also learn about our high-quality professional development.